So 4, 5, and 6 say solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable fractional forms with binomial numerators. And again, we got fractions there. So if we have fractions, we want to multiply by our common denominator. So in the first one, if I have an 8 and a 2, my least common multiple is going to be 8. So I'm going to multiply every term times 8. And so what's going to happen here, 8 times 9 is 72. That's going to equal, and what I'm saying is 8 goes into 8 one time, so I'm taking 1 times the 9y plus 5. Plus 2 goes into 8 4 times, so I have to take the 4 times the y minus 6 and use my distributive property. So 72 is going to equal 9y plus 5 plus 4y minus 24. Next thing I'd probably do is just go ahead and combine my like terms that are on the same side of my equation. So simplifying this, 72 is going to equal 13y minus 19 then. I'm going to rewrite that over here. So if I'm going to solve that, I have to add my 19 to the other side. So if I add my 19, 91 equals 13y, and then of course I'm going to divide by 13. Now the nice thing about these problems is they should all come out to nice whole number answers. So 91 divided by 13 is 7. If you get something that's not a whole number answer, you know that probably you did something wrong and you should go back and check your work. So if I look at number 5, again, I have a denominator of 8 and a denominator of 4, so my least common multiple is 8. So I'm going to multiply by 8, multiply by 8, multiply by 8. 8 goes into 8 one time, so 1 times my 5v plus 4, which is just going to be 5v plus 4, equals 9 times 8 is 72, minus 4 goes into 8 two times. So I'm going to take minus 2 times the 4v minus 5. So I am going to get 72 minus 8v plus 10. You have to be really careful with this sign that you distribute it out, and that's why I like to put the parentheses there so I don't forget, oh, there was a minus sign in front of that fraction, and I get the right signs. 5v plus 4 then is going to equal negative 8v plus 82 if I can combine my like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that. 5v plus 4 equals negative 8v plus 82. I'm going to add my 8v and subtract my 4 in order to solve that. So 13v equals 78, and then I'm going to divide by my 13. Again, 78 divided by 13 should come up to a nice whole number. It does. It goes in there 6 times. So v is going to equal 6. So number 6, same kind of thing. This time I have denominators of 6 and 7 that don't have anything in common, so I just have to multiply them together and use 42. It's not a real easy number to work with, but probably better than the alternative. So I'm going to put 42 times each of my terms. 6 goes into 42 7 times, so I have to take the 7 times the 5x plus 4. 7 goes into 42 6 times, so I'm going to take the 6 times the 2x plus 8. And then I have to take 5 times 42, which I believe is 210, but I'm going to check for sure. Yes, 210. So 35x plus 28 is going to equal 12x plus 48 plus 210. So 35x plus 28 equals 12x plus 258 when I combine my like terms there. I have to minus my 12x and subtract my 28. I get 23x equals 230, and if I divide by my 23, x is just going to be 10.